Big Bear, we're going to ask you to sing the first song. Singer's Choice, Orville. Singer's Choice, if you have a tight. Singer's Choice, Orville says Singer's Choice, and Big Bear has all those songs, I'll tell you what. You're going to go 2 songs, Singer's Choice, and all songs.
Uncle, can somebody ask to say the Popos? Somebody's littering? Pick up that litter!
Alright, we're going to go over 2 songs.
In my pocket, Reese is wondering if you can get his little finger thingies real quick.
Alright, Big Bear!
Okay, thank you. Evelyn? They're ready for it.
First song. Ladies and gentlemen, let's go to you again and pay them off with a big round of applause. Thank you very much for all your powwow needs. We want to see you at the next year's celebration 2014. Well, have a good time again. Thank you very much for being at this celebration. Okay. All right.